Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Wednesday, October 2nd of 2019 with today's morning announcements. For our birthdays to announce for today, we do have two birthdays today, so happy birthday to Reese Kemke and Broderick Sperry. So happy birthday to both of you. Hope you have a wonderful day. Our lunch choices for today would be beef and cheese nachos, Bosco stick, or Peppy pizza salad. And today our pause samples are going to be brought to you by Mrs. Manelli's first grade class.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our pause, and we have three students here from Mrs. Manelli's first grade class who are going to be going through things about the playground.
No climate slide. No fishing. Don't stand on the merry-go-round.
Those are great things. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much for that, and at this time, please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, guys and girls, very much for that pledge and our pause for today. And everybody have a wonderful day today. Remember, even though that we did start with hello last week, remember you can still continue the great things that we learned from it from last week. So be kind to others, say hello to a new friend, or just be kind to somebody. So those are always great things to do. Have a wonderful day.